Hello, welcome to the video of the Golf GTD DSG automatic. I'm going to do the video inside today because it's drizzly outside, obviously British weather, as you can understand. So hopefully we'll get a good video in here, although it's a little bit dark in places at the bottom of the car. Right, let's start on this driver's wing mirror, should we say. So, very good condition. No condensation, no cracks, no chips, etc. on that wing mirror. That area there nice and clean. Front windscreen is in very good condition. Looks like it has been replaced. It's a non-genuine VW item. You can see it's an aftermarket windscreen, but it is very clean. Very clean. I think it's got the gradual tinted top as well. A little bit darker at the top. No chips visible or cracks. So very clean. This wing, very clean. No evidence of any damage or rust or anything like that appearing. Alloy wheel, very clean. Brake disc, also very good. It's had a full VW specialist health report as well, and it's passed with flying colours. All the tyres are really good. All around here is nice and clean. Headlights are clear. Originally from Parkway Volkswagen in Derby. All very clean. No stone chipping either, so very clean on the bonnet. No evidence of any stone chips on the bonnet or on the bumper. So exceptionally clean. Got the front parking sensors. It has got the washer jets for the headlights as well. Obviously the headlights are LED and xenon as well, being the GTD. Bonnet, actually bonus inside because you get to see if there's any swirl marks in the paintwork, etc. under the light. No scratches on the corner of that bumper at all. Front wing immaculate. Alloy wheel, very clean. Obviously this is the alloy wheel that gets all the curbside scratches, and that's very clean. Okay, no tar spots on the bottom of the doors. All very clean. This side of the windscreen, immaculate, very clean. Wing mirror, cap, very clean as well. The door there, all nice and clean. The mirror glass is not cracked or faded. This arch here, immaculate. The alloy wheel, once again, immaculate. The rear disc also very good condition. They look quite new, to be fair. So all four brake discs do look quite new. So maybe they have been replaced in the last year or two. That panel there, immaculate. This vehicle is HPI clear, by the way, so it's not been involved in an insurance claim. Just a bit of dust. Reversing parking sensor at the back, of course. It's got this protective bumper strip here from a previous owner, has fitted that. Looks like it's been on there a while, that's not fresh. So that has been on a while, that protection strip. And the tailgate there, all nice. No signs of any different coloured paint anywhere. Or different shaded paint, should we say. Roof, that panel there. Alloy wheel immaculate. Inside the fuel cap area, so it's diesel. It's got these wind deflectors as well, 4 wind deflectors. It's got the privacy glass pack, so the rear windows are tinted dark as well, dark limo black. and back to the front wing. So that's the outside of the vehicle. Let's look in the rear. Open the rear, all nice and clean around the boot shuts, all been valeted. It's got the variable boot floor as well, so that to pull that out, you can have that lower. So it's got another 4-inch depth to it, so it's a variable boot floor. They've got the locking wheel nuts there in that little pocket, and then we've got the slimline spare wheel and jack and brace kit down there. We just had all that out, actually cleaning it if we've got to put it back. So we'll tidy that up and put that back there for you. So it's all there. All appears nice and clean. In the back, let me get the torch because it's a bit dark in the car. Get the LED torch. Right. So in the back, the door card's nice and clean. The carpets, the car mats are actually just being washed. They're out drying at the moment. So yeah, the seats are all immaculate as well. Free headrest, free seat belts. It's got a fold down rear armrest. You go to the other side door, open that. It's all nice and clean. All the door shuts are clean. Get the torch out. All the carpet's clean as well. There's no little dog hairs stuck anywhere. It's all nice and clean. It's also got the Isofix anchoring points as well for the kiddie seats. And this is the fold down armrest. Fold down armrest there. All the seats are nice and tidy. It doesn't smell of dogs. It doesn't smell of smoke either. Passengers front, very clean. No signs of anything out of the ordinary. All nice and clean. So it's got the folding wing mirrors heated as well. 4 electric windows, of course. Oh, that's nice and clean. Driver's seat, all immaculate. Down to the foot pedals down there, aluminium pedals, all nice and clean. Automatic lights. We have got 2 keys, by the way. So there's 2 keys there. I don't know if you can see. There's 2 keys there. 2 remote central locking keys. I'm going to get in and start the engine. So 52,458 miles. Got the leather flat bottom steering wheel there, GTD logo, adaptive cruise control, volume controls, etc. This has got the paddles, of course, the paddle there, up and down, shifters. All this area here is nice and clean. The drinks holder, auto hold assist, electronic handbrake, traction control, etc. Stop start and the driving modes, parking sensors on and off button. Start the engine, so foot on the brake, turn the key. It's also got the dash, the virtual dash as well. There's a screen, and this one as well. Put that on, so it's got the Volkswagen GTD, DAB radio, of course, sat nav, starting navigation, and let me shut the door. Just close the door, put it into reverse. Got reverse. Now it's got the parking sensors display. So it hasn't got a reverse camera, this one. Let's have a look at the rest. Let's put some lights on. The lights on, so they light up, so you can see you've got heated front seats, left and right, dual zone climate control, different heat settings, digital display, and down here you've got your USB port down there for your music. That's very nice, and that flap works as well. Okay, so that's all nice and clean. You've got a sunglasses holder up here, and then you've got your anti-dazzle rear view mirror. So anti-dazzle rear view mirror, automatic lights, automatic wipers as well, and then obviously cruise control and all that. And we've got some fuel in this, which is good to see. We've got some fuel. Get out to hear the engine. Nice and quiet. LED lights, like I said, the LEDs. In the back as well there, LEDs also. Switch the engine off. I'm going to pop the bonnet now. I don't want to get gassed out in here as well because of the not got the windows open. So just open the bonnet. Okay, cool. So under here you can see it's all been valeted, nice and shiny. Bosch battery, which is always good to see. A genuine Bosch battery as well. The right ampage as well for the car. Not a cheap, what they call it, a banner. That's it. There's a cheap make called a banner. Don't last 2 seconds. New antifreeze as well. So all new antifreeze in there. Someone's just trying to call me. Reject that. And then up here you've got, you can see it's all standard. There's no nothing out of the ordinary. Okay, slam the bonnet, close like that. So this vehicle, full VW service history, which I'll come to now on the desk here. So we've got everything here. So it's got the service history here, which you can see it's the delivery miles at 4 miles in 17. And then in 19 it's got the flexible service, so it's a 2-year or 20,000 mile service, so it's a long life oil. Then that service there in 2021, that was a standard one, so that's why they went again to service it in 2022. So it's a flexible, which is 2-year, which was 17, 18, 19, yes, that's 2-year. That's another 2-year because it's flexible. That's the standard oil, not the long life oil. That's the long life oil, so that shouldn't really be due until August 2024. But we've just done it. We've just had a major service, including timing belt kit, 6th of December 2023 at 52,000 miles. That's us there. We've also got the VW maintenance checklist here as well. The mileage, the date, all the standard VW service items are being ticked off and checked. So you can be reassured this is the evidence that this car is in really good health as well. And then obviously we've got the air filter element and a tooth belt, including tensioner, all done, completed. Okay, so that's all there, signed off by ourselves. We've got the logbook here, three former keepers, the logbook there, and this one is, yes, it is the 14th of the 11th, 14th of November 2017, GTD TDI semi-auto 5-door diesel 124 GKM. This is, I think it's 180 or 150 tax a year on this one. This vehicle came direct from the Kia dealers, so it came from Keighley, Kia and Mazda dealership. That's where it came from, and it was sold to us listed as warranted mileage as well. Logbook, spare key as well, automatic, MOT history. So it's a genuine car from a genuine source. It's not from some random guy in the street. It is from a main dealership, so that's where we got it from. And obviously you've got the book pack as well there, the book pack with all the instruction manuals, leather pouch there, so everything is with the vehicle. And this also comes with a 12-month warranty with these guys, momentumwarranties.co.uk, and it covers, it's the Plan 2 level of cover, which is the better one. So it covers most of the major mechanical items, not just a basic engine and gearbox warranty. This is most of the items, alternators, fuel systems, diffs, casings, starter motor. So it covers a lot. Just go to their website, momentumwarranties.co.uk, and check out the Plan 2 level cover. This has also got an app. So this policy, for 1 year policy, comes with an app. So that app's just like anything else. It's on your phone. So say, for example, you have a problem in the middle of the night, 8 o'clock at night, and you think, oh, I need to sort it out now. You can go on the app. It'll obviously direct you to the nearest VW specialist garage in your location. And you can obviously send them an email through the app. And then in the morning at 9 o'clock when they get to work, they'll give you a bell to say, right, how can we help you? You know what I mean? We deal with emergency warranties. So, you know, and that's nearest to you. So you don't have to bring it all the way back to us here in Sheffield. It's obviously, it's a nationwide service. So, you know, we like to make sure all our customers get a really good cover on the vehicles. Okay. Any more questions, or if you've got a part exchange, let us know the reg number and mileage. We'll give you a quotation for your part exchange. Finance as well. You can adjust your finance needs on our website advert. We have got a finance calculator there, which you can add and up the monthly terms. So you can go anywhere from 10 months up to 4 or 5 years on these vehicles, depending on age and mileage. And then obviously adjust the level of deposit you want to put down. And that'll obviously show you the monthly payments. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you soon. Thank you.